Welcome to Sharpnack Ford, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with voice activation and radio data system, dual stage driver and passenger seat mounted side airbags, mini overhead console with storage, body colored power heated side mirrors with driver auto dimming, speed sensitive rain detecting variable intermittent wipers, power liftgate rear cargo access, streaming audio, fixed glass second row sunroof with power shade, automatic full-time all-wheel drive, selective service internet access, and has less than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1992, family-owned Sharpnack Ford has been proudly serving our friends and neighbors. We treat our customers like family, and every salesperson puts the customer first before everything else. It is the Sharpnack promise to be straightforward, to never pressure anyone, and to keep all promises made. So come see us today. We're located at 1200 South Conwell Avenue. Sharpnack Ford, we're here for you.